Hi guys, so welcome to another video of my channel. So in this video I will be discussing on how to crack mainly service based companies specifically, because most of the colleges, that is the tier 3 colleges, the service based companies visit. So a lot of people ask me that how to crack this, in spite of being from a non-IT background. IT background things a little bit easier, but let me tell you one thing, that service based companies don't look at your background. See, if they are looking for background, then if they want a CS student, then specifically the eligibility criteria would be set to CS or IT. But for your information, the background is not set to that. Everyone is allowed to sit for the exam, so that means the work they do, it's not specific to any background. So that's the first thing you should keep in mind. And coming to the preparation, the first thing that you should prepare is stop going to Codeshave and Codeforces and solve coding questions. So that will not fetch you a job. For your information, yeah, that will definitely enhance your coding skills. If you love competitive programming, that is really good. It will enhance your math skill and stuff. But coming to placement point of view, in these companies they don't look for these stuffs. Okay, so the major things that you need to know these things. Without knowing these things, see, in Codeforce, in Codeshare, you can solve one or two problems. You may think of yourself as a good coder, but that is not the case. So the things that you should know is algorithms. You should know standard algorithms like searching, sorting, their time complexities, this type of stuff. So the graph algorithms, Dijkstra's algorithm, Floyd-Warshall algorithm, a lot of algorithms are there. Innumerous number of algorithms there are in the course, so in the BTech course. So you should know this type of algorithms, such as searching, such as binary search, solving a question in binary search in Codeforces. Obviously it's a great thing, but the thing is they won't ask you that question. They will ask you what a binary search does. Okay, so if your main concept is not clear, then I'm sorry to say they won't hire you. So it's not that you will apply binary search in their work, but the thing is this type of questions are usually asked. So what my strategy or what my suggestion would be is, first go through the important algorithms. So where will you find these important algorithms? Is the only platform that I would suggest is Geeks for Geeks. Go to Geeks for Geeks, go to algorithm section, see those topics. See, dynamic programming is not usually asked to a fresher in a service based company. Not usually asked. They limit themselves to search, sort, and maybe few graph based algorithms, and that's it. So not much DP and greedy. They may ask, if the interviewer is into algorithms, then they may ask DP or greedy. The second point, so coming to the first point, is that you must you must know these algorithms to make your life easier in this interviews. The second point is, learn any one object oriented programming. That is, you may learn Java, preferably Java, because Java is mostly used in these industries. So Java will help you a lot. Learn only one object oriented programming properly. So Java or C++ or Python. Mostly most students are into Python and data science and stuffs, but that won't help you much in these companies. So you can settle for Java or C++. They are not interested in C because C won't help you in any way. That's okay for learning, but in companies they will be looking for this stuff. And the third important thing is your communication skill. That's the thing many people misses. Like, they don't think that's an important skill at all. But trust me, this skill is one of the most important skill. That is the communication skill. If you are unable to speak or make the interviewer understand what you are trying to say, so maybe in some cases in these companies, the things you are answering may go wrong, but the confidence and the skill that you are showing to the interviewer, that may impress that guy and they can hire you. So communication skill is the third point I'll be talking about. So these three things, I don't think that this is this is a CA specific thing, computer science specific thing. Any student, a class 10 guy, a class 12 guy, a high school kid can learn this stuff. So that's why these people don't hire only IT guys, they hire for a mass, honestly. So you can go and just dive into these three topics and that will be enough. And one more thing that you should not miss is the project, that is the final year project that you are doing. Please do it with dedication. That let me tell you a scenario that if they ask you any question from that stuff, if you have done a small project also, please let the interviewer know that you have done it on your own and you know each and every bits of your project. So that will be helping the interviewer to understand that yes, this guy has done it on his own and knows end to end in his project. So doing a project is very important and doing it knowingly is very important. So maybe it's not a very high new technology, so that is not important. The important thing is you have done it on your own. So project, algorithms, standard algorithms, one object oriented programming, and communication skill, these four things can surely land you up in a great job after your college. And if you want to clear a product based company, that requires a bit of preparation, and for that I will make a separate video. So thanks guys, happy preparation.